Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download videos on your Threads app. So guys, if you want to know how to download videos on your Threads app, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step, you have to go over to your Threads app. It's up in your Threads app to open it. So guys, as you can see, our Threads app is opening. So guys, once you open up your Threads app, the next step that you have to take is to look out for the video that you want to download. Let me search for a video that I'm going to download right away. Here is a video. Okay guys, here is a video. So guys can see here is a video. So for you to download this video, what you have to do now is to tap on the share icon. You can see the share icon just below the video. You tap on it. Then you tap on where it is written copy link. Let me go ahead to tap on it. So guys, the third step that you need to take is to go out of your Threads app. Then you go into your browser. You can use your Chrome browser, you can use your Phoenix browser, whichever browser you're using, just tap on it to open it. So guys, once you open up your browser, then you search for threadsmith.com. Search for threadsmith.com. So guys, you can see, then you tap on search. So guys, this is where you're going to download the video. Let's read out what is written here. They say download Threads video, photos and GIFs online. The first step you have to take is find videos. Copy the Threads video URL by clicking share and choosing copy link. That's what you just did now. The second step to take is to paste the Threads video URL in the box above and hit the download button. So let's go ahead now to paste the link over here. So let me paste it. So guys, I've pasted it. Once you paste it, you tap on the download icon. You can see it there. Tap on it. So guys, over here they're giving us option to download our video either as MP4 HD or MP4 2. So I will download that MP4 HD. So you tap on it. So guys, you can see downloading file. You can see it at the top. The file is downloading. The video is downloading. So guys, once the video has been fully downloaded in your browser, for you to confirm it, you have to go over to your gallery, to go to your phone gallery. Then you go over to your album, then you go over to downloads. You can see downloads over there. You tap on it. So guys, you can see it there. The video is at the top. Let me tap on it. So guys, let me go ahead to play the video so you can hear it. So guys, you can see the video has been fully downloaded into our phone gallery. This is how easy it is. So guys, I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.